Some of the strangest places on Earth are not hidden. They are right in front of us. What makes them mysterious is that even after years of research, some details still leave scientists searching for better answers. Nature has created places that look impossible. These locations are not man-made, but they make us question how much we truly know about our own planet. Let's explore some of the most unusual natural mysteries on Earth. In a remote region, there's a tree that produces a deep red liquid when its bark is damaged. At first, it looks like the tree is bleeding. Scientists explain that it is a natural resin used for protection, but the sight is still shocking for anyone seeing it for the first time. The mystery is not just the red liquid. It is how nature creates such a strange defense system inside a simple tree. Some lakes around the world can suddenly turn bright pink. This happens because of salt levels, temperature changes, and tiny organisms living in the water. When sunlight hits the surface, the lake looks almost unreal. Scientists know the reason behind the color, but it is still fascinating how microscopic life can transform an entire landscape. Deep inside cold regions, giant ice caves have formed over thousands of years. Their frozen walls create crystal-like patterns that glow when light passes through. These caves preserve clues about Earth's past, but the deeper scientists study them, the more they discover about climate changes that happened long ago. In some areas, underground heat pushes water to the surface and creates boiling pools. Minerals slowly build colorful layers around these hot springs, changing the landscape over time. What makes these places strange is that the Earth itself seems to constantly redesign them. There is also an ancient lake with some of the clearest water ever recorded. During winter, the ice becomes so transparent that objects below the surface can still be seen. Researchers study this lake because it contains secrets about Earth's history hidden inside its frozen layers. Some lakes contain unusual chemicals that can affect animals that enter them. These places look beautiful but can be extremely dangerous. The strange part is how life continues to exist in environments that seem almost impossible for survival. Deep inside certain caves, tiny organisms create natural blue light. When thousands gather together, the cave ceiling looks like a sky full of stars. Scientists understand the process, but the sight still feels like entering another world hidden beneath Earth. In frozen regions, gases from lake floors become trapped under ice, creating circular bubble patterns. These frozen layers look like objects floating inside the surface. Researchers know how they form, but these patterns reveal how active and changing our planet really is. High above the clouds, some mountains create views that look like floating islands. Clouds can completely hide the peaks and reveal them again within minutes. The landscape changes so quickly that the same place can look completely different from one moment to another. In a desert region, there is a crater where natural gas has been burning continuously for decades. The glowing fire looks almost unreal, especially at night. But the biggest mystery is how underground gas systems continue to produce energy for so long. These places remind us that Earth is still full of surprises. Science explains many mysteries, but every discovery creates new questions. If you enjoyed this journey into Earth's hidden secrets, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing mysteries. But the final question remains, are we truly discovering everything about our planet? Or are we only seeing a small part of the secrets Earth is still hiding?